How to enable or disable S Pen to text on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or S26 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down and then tap on General Management. Next, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Then we scroll down, and in here, scroll down and tap on S Pen to text, turn it off or switch it on. When it is turned on, you can then use your S Pen and go to your text field here, and you can start to write. And that's it. So if it is turned off, now once you start writing, there are options in the floating toolbar. You can use the space bar, you can tap on the backspace key, you can choose to show the keyboard, and then tap on the go button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.